Ngenjera amabanga abiri narayamennye kuri TV. Ndongera nyamennye. Ibanga rya mbere. Ndabanza nkitunganya tsanya ngo mbivuze nkubutse. Icyo ntazi.
Ijyo ni ibanga rya mbere.
Irya kabiri. Ahiye ko. Icyo nibagiwe. Icyo ntazi n'icyo nibagiwe ni amabanga abiri ngira.
One of you will betray me tonight.
If you want to talk to me direct. Don't go through the corners.
By the let's pray. Father Lord, we are sorry for life.
Admin uko wapi? Mbona grupu limekaa kimya? Kuria namtaka admin.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go.
I just checked on for the coronavirus vaccine, the one from China. I just take out right now and I see it is very, very good because right now there is no side effects for anything. So guys, it's just the only thing that it has to calculate the whole
We've all learned from chapters 3 and excuse me. And where do y'all think y'all are going now?
Cause you had a bad day, 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 you're taking one down.
What's a video that lives in your head rent-free?
9-year-old Tommy Douglas. Tommy has lived most of his life in the hospital after being born with a potato for a heart and will undergo a heart transplant surgery next weekend. He's about as big of a traffic fan as they come, so in partnership with the Grant-A-Wish Foundation, both teams have agreed to come together and have Tommy run the first play of the game. And he got the handoff, and there he goes. Made a little cutback move, and it looks like he's going to go all the way. Look at him go. Wow. This is really one of those heartwarming moments in sports where you just... Oh! Oh, my God. That is not good.
Next person, please take off your mask.
Which mask do you want me to take off? This one or the smile that I wear on my face?
Anyways, it's time for your COVID test.
Sure, but you know what's funny? I'm not even scared to get tested because I know it's for my safety and I know...
Girl, get up here.
It's time. I'm not even scared. I'm like, I'm not even scared.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! You violated me!
I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go.
What are you doing?
Carol Baskin. Killed her husband, whacked him. Can't convince me that it didn't happen. Fed him to tigers, they snacking. What's happening? Carol Baskin.
Carol Baskin.
I'm in love with the shape of you. You're pushing pull like a magnet too. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Oh,